All right, kindergarten friends, for this assignment, we're going to review how to sound out and write words. All right, so here we have a picture, and this picture is of a pan. P, and, p, and, that's P. A, the A kind of says its name. In. And pan. Okay. All right. Pan. And notice we stretched it out. We sounded out each sound. P, pan. Now that A sound makes it a little tricky, but we did good. We did well. All right. Next we have a rat. 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 Is our first sound. R. Ah, ah, ah. That's our second sound, which would be A. T, 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 t. Our last sound is T. Rat. 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 So that's how we spell rat when we sound out each individual letter. Okay, let's do another one. Ooh, fish. Fish. Sh. Sh. Okay, so we have a digraph at the end of this word. A digraph at the end of this word. So the first letter is, the first sound is, what letter makes the sound? F. Good job. And now, sh. Our middle sound is which is what letter? I. Sh. Sh. What is our last letter? What is our last sound? Sh. Sh. That would be the S. H. The digraph. Fish. Sh. Fish. So that's how we spell that one. Good job. Sounding out each letter sound and then writing down the letter that it makes. Okay. I would think that this one is the word tall. Tall. T-all. Tall. Okay. So for this one, t, 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 t. First sound is T. Oh. What sound is that? That would be O, T, O, L, L. T, O, L, tall. Okay. Now, friends, this is a tricky one because this is how the word sounds for tall. But if your parents are around, they might say, oh, no, that's not actually how you spell it. And that's true. Technically, we spell the word tall like this. Tall is a tricky word. That's how you, the word I just circled, that's how you would spell the word. But that's not how the word sounds. It sounds like what we wrote in these boxes. So either one of those spellings would be correct for Miss Hogan. You might already know how to spell it, which is what is circled. But if you sound it out, that's what you see in the boxes, and that's acceptable too. You write what you hear, okay? And that's what we did in these boxes. T, O, L, tall. We hear the O sound, even though it's technically the letter A. Confusing sometimes. But either one of those would be correct depending on how you hear it and the sound that you hear in the word tall and what you want to write down. It is a tricky one though. All right. And last is cut. Cut. We see the knife cutting up that onion. Cut. Okay? C says k. Uh. That would be U, t, 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 T. K, t, cut. Cut. Okay? I hope you were able to follow along with me on all of our spelling. We got to work on sounding out our words and writing down the letters we hear. You guys did a great job on this. Time to finish up the rest of your Canvas work.